Hey guys, welcome to the vlog. I'm actually vlogging from my camera, so it looks a little different, and I'm still looking down, like looking at myself instead of up. Maybe if I did that, I don't know. So anyways, we are headed to Disney. I left my camera at home, so Terry said, why don't you whip out your phone and I'll teach you how to pull it. So he's going to teach me how to pull it, and I'm just not going to be looking at you guys because I feel weird just staring at this thing. We're going to Animal Kingdom. We're probably not going to stay very long because I'm not wearing my boot. So probably won't stay very long, and I'll release this tonight when I get home. We're going to Animal Kingdom. We're not going to be there very long, I don't feel, but we finally got reservations to Yak and Yeti, which I probably should vlog too, right?
Sure, why not?
Probably should vlog that too. But I hope you guys are enjoying the Vlogmas vlogs. I'm enjoying making them. Trying to find content because I just realized my life is very boring, and I'm perfectly fine with that. It is honestly like a dream life that I live. My dream, maybe not your dream, but it's like my dream. Have an amazing husband who's frowning at me, whom I love so very much, and he loves me. We just have a good life. We have Luca, we have a safe place over our heads, we have safe cars to drive, you know, that kind of thing. Like, I'm very lucky. I've got a good life. So anyways, enough on that tangent. Before I let you go, we are stuck in some serious traffic. Let's take a look.
Flip it for them.
We try to do a flip. Apparently I don't know how to flip. Apparently you can't flip while you're filming. So I'll show you the traffic in just a minute as soon as I figure out how to. I don't know how to do this very well, so as you guys can't tell, I can tell. So anyways, I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye guys. Here's the traffic. This is like, we've been sitting in this for what, 10 minutes already? Probably another 25 to 30 minutes to go if I had to guess. It is just.
And show what time it is.
Yeah, but I can show you. It is 11:18, and we left at what, 10:50, 10:40, 10:30. I can't remember, but yeah, that's. And you can see there. So we are at Animal Kingdom, and we are waiting in line. It's a crazy line for the safari. But we have a 12:55 appointment with Pandora, and we have a 2 or 2:15? 2:15 reservation at Yak and Yeti. So excited. I've wanted to go there since we first started coming back to Disney like 3 years ago. So we finally got a reservation. It's taken quite a while for it. You got it? You sure? Oh, I gotta show this. I'm gonna restart it. Okay, hang on. This is what I found, you guys. How pretty is that? So excited. Oh, and it's got a Mickey on the other side. How pretty is that? Anybody else excited for me? You guys know how much I chase Starbucks cups and how much I like pink. Sorry. So anyways, we are in line, and I will get some shots of the safari. Talk to you guys soon. Bye.
Just make sure that shoulder is folded.
Got my magic teeth.
You guys are...
And I'm tired, but I had a wonderful day. So I will vlog more when I get home. Bye. Hey guys. We are done at Animal Kingdom. We came... Dang, that sun is something awfully bright. It's really bright. But we came, we did the safari, and we did lunch at Yak and Yeti, which we wanted to do for quite a while. They it's hard to get reservations to Yak and Yeti. And if you don't get reservations, what was it, like an hour and a half wait? It's like an hour and a half wait for other people, but we had reservations, so. And then we rode Pandora, excuse me, Avatar Flight of Passage. It was amazing as always. So right now we're headed home. We're probably gonna get into some serious traffic because it's I-4 and it's always serious traffic on I-4, but it's Friday afternoon at 4:47, so it's going to be astronomically large traffic, which is fine. Just more time I get to spend in the car with Terry. I've got to make a couple of phone calls, and that's about it. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys. So my nephew loves elephants. Absolutely loves elephants. They are like his favorite thing. He gets so excited when he sees one. And we found a squishmallow. It's either squishmallow or squashmallow. I think it's squishmallow. Elephant that he can like snuggle with and like cuddle up with and all that. So super excited about that. I'm going to, after this, put videos of the safari that we went on. The Majoro, I don't know, something like that safari. It's the one that everybody goes on. But we got some up close and personals with quite a few animals, especially a giraffe. A giraffe like went right by us, just like this, right by us, like that. So other than that, it's been an amazing day, and I'm gonna go home and get all this edited and post it for Vlogmas day number 6. Talk to you guys later. Bye. Brought to you by Luca Chow.